Wagwan my YouTube family. Welcome to Bwoy TV again. See, I'm about to show you how to make a quick pocket slingshot. But know so we grew up in Jamaica and we make the slingshot then what we call bingy, with piece of stick and piece of tube from out of a bicycle or some type of rubber. But this is the easiest way to make a slingshot. See? So stay tuned. Alright my YouTube family, welcome back. For this slingshot, all you're going to need is a Gatorade bottle, one of the 32-ounce one them, a balloon, and a knife for cut off the head of the Gatorade bottle. Or you can use a saw or a hot knife, whatever, make it easier for you. You understand? So let's do it. This you can dash with. All you need is this piece, right? This piece. So if the edge right here is kind of rough, you can use sandpaper and sand it down, or you can use the concrete and rub it down. I use the concrete. Alright, that is as smooth as I'm gonna get it. See? So that's good enough. Just get it nice and smooth so it won't be jagged, because when you put the balloon on it, you don't want the jagged edges to break the balloon. See? So just make it kind of smooth. It don't have to be perfect, trust me. So you see how much of the neck get cut off of the buckle, right? Okay. Now you have to cut the balloon, and I would cut about right here. About halfway up the neck, right here. It's easier with the scissors. I left my scissors inside, so the knife can't even cut it. Alright, there it goes. So that's how it should look. About halfway up the neck, you cut it off. Now we're going to place it over the Gatorade bottle head. We have to take this ring off the bottle head. This orange ring. You could just pry it off with your fingernails or use a knife. Don't break it. Make sure you get it off nice and smooth like that, because you're going to need this. Now we could put the balloon over the Gatorade bottle head. And you want to put it from the bottom where you cut it, the jagged edge. You want to put it like that, from the jagged edge going up. Okay people, there it is. Try to work the balloon all the way up to the top of the rim. So work it all the way up. Make sure it's centered. It's nice and centered. See, the balloon is not hanging to the side. It's nice and centered. Alright. Now, this orange piece, now you slip it on, slip it back on over. It's going to fit right in place. It's going to be nice and snug. There it is. And there it is. Your pocket slingshot. It's ready for action. I'm collecting some rocks that I can use as the bullet or the projectile, however you want to say it. this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. An easier way to make a slingshot instead of the old time way from the stick and the bicycle tube tire. This is the easier way. Gatorade bottle top and a balloon. That's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share on your social media platform. Until the next video, this is Red Bwoy TV. I'm out.